Hi, welcome to Grandma's Reading Corner. It's Bluey again. How about Bluey and the typewriter? At school, Bluey is being a storyteller. Chloe comes to tell her that it's time for a story with Calypso. Tick, 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 bling, tick, 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 ching. Everyone sits up straight to listen. Snicker tries and tries, but whoops, falls over. Calypso begins. There once was an old dog who had sat on a chest by the side of the road for his whole life, begging for treats. One day, a gnome came by and said to the old dog, "Have you tried opening the chest that you sit on to see what's inside?" "Oh, no, of course not. There's nothing inside," said the old dog. "It is empty." "Can I sit next to you, Coco?" says Winton. He sits right up close to her. Winton is a space invader. Sits too close. The gnome insisted that the old dog open the chest. And when he did, he discovered it was full of treats. Oh my goodness. Bluey doesn't think the story makes sense. So she decides to write a new one with a better ending. But when she and Chloe get back to the typewriter, it's gone. What happened? "Hey, where'd the real typewriter go?" "I'll go ask Calypso," says Bluey. "I can't be a story writer without a real typewriter." On her way to find Calypso, Bluey sees Snickers. He looks sad. "Hey, Snickers, what's wrong? Everyone else has learned to sit except me." "But you're a sausage dog," said Bluey. "It's going to take you longer because you're so long." "I hate being a sausage dog," Snicker moaned. Bluey suggests that Snickers come to find Calypso to see if she can help them both. On their way, they bumped into Winton. He looks sad too. "Hey, Winton, what's wrong?" "Everyone keeps running away from me." "Why don't you come see Calypso with us?" asked Bluey. "Maybe she can help." "Okay," says Winton. "I'll follow you." The three friends head off until they were stopped by the terriers. They were playing a game. "Hey, we're shooting bow and arrows at you," the terriers say when Bluey, Snickers, and Winton don't fall over. "Not real ones," says Snickers. "Please, can you pretend that they're pretend real?" "Okay," says Bluey. She yells to Snickers and Winton, "Arrows, get down!" They race away from the pretend real arrows. "Snickers, you sneak around them through the skinny trees," says Bluey, "and then wait at the top of the hill to do you know what." "I'm coming. Where are you?" Snickers sneaks through the skinny trees as a terrier tries to spot him, but Snickers' sausage shape keeps him hidden. You almost can't see him. Meanwhile, Bluey has an idea for getting past one of the other terriers. "Ask him a question," she tells Winton, "and then he'll run away." Winton is confused. Why would he run away if I asked a question? "Because you're a space invader. That's someone who stands too close." Winton gives it a go. "Are you gluten-free?" "What?" "Winton, not so close. Just tell me, are you gluten-free?" It works. He runs away. The last terrier has them trapped, but Winton has an idea. "Use this shield," he says, handing Bluey a pretend real shield. "Okay," says Bluey, "hang on." Bing, 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 bat, bat. They escape and scare the terrier away. Bluey and Winton run away up the hill, but the terriers soon chase them. Bluey shouts to Snickers, "Snickers! Snickers, now! Sausage roll!" I love being a sausage dog. "Good one, Snickers," Bluey and Winton shout. Then Bluey laughs. "Hey, Winton, look." Winton isn't standing so close. "Hey, I'm not in Space Invader." Finally, Bluey asks Calypso where the real typewriter has gone. It's around here somewhere, says Calypso. Hey, how did you get past the terriers? I used a shield, says Bluey. See? Ting, ting. It's a nice shield. Okay, typewriter. Where is it? Calypso smiles. What if I asked you to show me a typewriter? Bluey shows Calypso a pretend real typewriter, just like she used the pretend real shield to escape the terriers. Tick, 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 ching, tick, 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 ching. That's a lovely typewriter, isn't it? Says Calypso. Thanks, Calypso, says Bluey as she races off. I'm going to write my story now. It's a lovely typewriter, and Bluey will always have it with her. It's under her stool, isn't it? Just like the chest in the story.